Let us see how to fix rent for a building as a part of valuation. These are the steps in rent fixation. One is to calculate the net return on the building and land separately based on expected percentage on their cost. When you purchase some land or property, you must be expecting some return out of it. That is what the net return is. Find out the net return, which is expected return on building plus expected return on the cost of the land. That is overall property, right? Third one is to calculate all outgoings. Fourth one is to calculate the gross rent, which is net return plus outgoings. Step 5 is to calculate monthly rent, that is gross rent by 12. Okay, let us see a numerical. This is the question. The present value of the property is 25 lakhs, out of which the cost of land is 3 lakhs. The owner of the property expects 7.5% return on the cost of construction and 6.5% return on the cost of the land. If the future life of the building is estimated as 75 years and the end of useful life, 20 lakhs will be required for replacing the construction. Calculate the standard rent of the property, assuming rate of interest for sinking fund is 6%, annual repair cost is 1% of the cost of construction. All other outgoing taxes shall be 25% of the net annual income of the property. So at the end of its useful life, 20 lakhs. So let us check the building cost. So if you write the given data, we have the value of total property as 25 lakhs. Cost of land we have 3 lakhs. So we have the building cost as 25 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, which is 22 lakhs. So this is the 20 lakhs after end of useful life. So you can say this is a sinking fund. Yes, but we need to consider the building cost. We actually compare the building cost and this value, whichever is more, we need to use that. So for safety purpose. Life of the building 75 years, expected return on building 7.5% as expected by the owner, and he is expecting the return on land as 6.5%. Now sinking fund interest, it was given as 6%. Annual repair cost, it was 1% of the cost of construction. All other outgoing taxes shall be 25% of the net annual income of the property, not the cost of the construction. Okay, we need to find out the gross rate, which is the net return plus outgoings. So this is overall given data. So which was given, I have mentioned here briefly. Let us calculate the net return on the building, which is 7.5% on building cost as expected by owner. That is 7.5 by 100 into cost of the building. So we got it as 1,65,000. On land he is expecting 6.5%. So 6.5 by 100 into cost of the land, which is 3 lakhs. We get it as 19,500. Outgoings per annum, sinking fund installment per year, SI by 1 plus I whole power n minus 1. S is here the building cost, we have 22 lakhs. Sinking fund interest 6% was given. Life of the building 75 years. So let us substitute everything, we will get it as 1691. And annual repairs 1% of the building cost, that is 1 by 100 into cost of the building, we will get it as 22,000. Outgoings including taxes 25% of the net return. So we have net return as expected return on the building plus expected return on the land. So how much he is expecting from the building? 1,65,000, and on land we got it as 19,500. Let us add them together and we get it as 1,84,500. So that is total outgoing. So that is 7.5. No, this is not 77.5. This is actually yes, this is 25% of the net return. Yes, sorry. Yes, so see, it was repeated, no issues. All outgoings, we have to add all these. Okay, we got it as 1691 plus 22,000 plus 1,84,500. Please ignore this, this was repeated. Now, gross rent is net return plus outgoings, which is 1,84,500. This one plus 69,816. This all outgoings. So we got it as 2,54,316. So rent per month. So if you divide that value by 12, you will get the rent per month, which is 21,193. This is a new modern kind of building. If you are interested, you can try one more. Here there is a question. In a plot of land costing 15 lakhs, a building has been newly constructed at a total cost of 40 lakhs, including sanitary and water supply works, electrical installation, etc. The building consists of 4 floors for 4 tenants. The owner expects 8% return on the cost of the construction and 5% return on the cost of the land. Calculate the standard rent for each flat of the building, assuming the life of the building as 60 years and sinking fund will be created on 4% interest basis. Annual repair cost at 1% of the cost of the construction. Other outgoings including taxes 30% of the net return on the building. You can just try this and let me know the answer. Thank you.